welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a story of others in Instagram without mention. So let's get right into it. Once you're in your Instagram account, head over to the story you want to share. Suppose I'm watching one daily story. So this is the story he has already posted. So I wanna repost it again. For that, I have to just take a screenshot of it. And once the screenshot is taken, I must add to my story. And suppose I want to add this picture. And once I have selected it, I can just crop the one daily's tagged part and just keep it, or I can also keep it like that. So yeah, that's it. Without mentioning, the story will be reshared, and because before resharing, you must click on your story and it will be shared. And yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video.